Press Shift+ A to bring up the Add menu. Select Mesh, Plane, to add a plane to the scene. With the plane selected, go to the Particles tab in the Properties editor. Click on the New button to create a new particle system for the plane. You can adjust parameters like number to control the density of the particles, start and end to define the frame range when particles are emitted, and lifetime to specify how long particles exist before disappearing. Create one object like an icosphere and add modifiers such as decimate. Set the ratio accordingly. Then, in the Material Properties, add a new material and select Surface as Glass BSDF. Adjust the roughness as desired. To apply that object as snow, select the plane. Under the Render section of the particle settings, choose Object and set it to Icosphere. And boom, it's done.